How to make money without a job in 2022 for beginners. Has the job search taken longer than you anticipated? Would you be interested in learning how to make money without a job? To survive in these trying times, learn how to make money without a job. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can make money without doing any job in 2022. Let's see what we have for you to make massive profit with low investment. If you want to find out more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. It goes without saying that the COVID-19 epidemic has made finding a job alarmingly difficult. Companies aren't hiring as frequently as they once did, and positions that previously attracted few applicants now get a sizable applicant pool. The circumstance has caused many of us to reevaluate our employment possibilities, and in the meantime, struggling financially. There are ways to earn money without a job, which is wonderful news, or at least a traditional 9-to-5 desk job. Most of them involve part-time jobs you may accomplish on your own schedule, or freelance work that is feasible. These special chances may hold the key to maintaining or even improving your way of life. For those of you who are short on funds, look at them here now. 1. Earn money by testing websites. Through their websites, many businesses hope to provide outstanding customer service. These businesses frequently employ individuals to test and provide feedback on the various components of their website, which enables them to determine what needs to be adjusted or fixed. Check out user testing to learn how you can get money from reviewing websites. The majority of the time, you'll need to produce a 20-minute video with a voiceover that describes what is excellent, terrible, or perplexing about the website. Pay varies from website to website. User testing pays a fixed $10 for each review you successfully complete. Other locations where testing jobs can be found are Try My UI, Respondent, or Enroll. 2. Work with crowds. Does it feel like too much work to test websites? You may always register to work as a crowd worker and get paid for doing easier, simpler jobs. Crowd workers complete tasks on their to-do list that don't require specialized technical knowledge in order to get money. You'll be compensated for tasks like spending time watching a video, performing document editing, filling out a form, image tagging, or modifying resumes. There are numerous crowdsourcing sites that clients eager to employ experts for straightforward chores, while Clickworker is ideal for jobs like completing surveys and gathering data for businesses. Microworkers is wonderful if you're searching for low-stakes tech work. 3. Create and market t-shirts. Selling your own uniquely designed t-shirts is another option to earn money without having a regular job. These days, getting started doesn't mean having access to a printing factory or sophisticated machinery. T-shirts and a variety of other goods can be designed by you and sold online using print-on-demand systems like Printify. The best aspect is that you wait to pay the cost of producing a t-shirt until a customer places an order on your website. You can sell your designs on an online store like Redbubble if you don't have a website to post your products on. Of course, if you want to start earning more significant revenues from your t-shirt business, you'll need to make a small investment in it. Think about contributing your money to using social media to advertise your designs, paying for advertisements to help your t-shirts get more notice, or using marketing resources from print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble. 4. Perform transcription work. Do you have a set of headphones, a keen eye for detail, and some spare time? As a transcriber, you might make money. There is a need for people who can listen and type because the majority of the businesses don't fully trust automatic transcription services. All you have to do is post a listing for your skills on a marketplace like Fiverr or People Per Hour. As an alternative, you can post your profile on a specific website like Scribby or submit bids for transcription work on websites like Freelancer. The flexibility of transcribing on your own schedule is one benefit of working as a transcriber, provided you meet the deadlines. Additionally, you may decide whether to transcribe audio or video or both, and you can refuse any work that doesn't appeal to you. 5. Buy gifts for others. Even while shopping may be much simpler now than it once was, many people still lack the time to do it. Fortunately, this indicates that you have employment options. You can get paid to pick up people's groceries and household necessities on websites like Favor and Instacart. To deliver the things, you can drive, ride a scooter, bike, or even walk to select locations. You can earn between $5 to $25 per hour working as a personal shopper. The type of goods you purchase, the distance you must drive, and whether or not you provide shopping advice to others will all affect your real profits. 6. Online craft sales. Do you enjoy painting or cross-stitching in your spare time? If you said yes, creating and selling crafts can be your way out of a money bind. One of the reasons why websites like Etsy are so well liked is because people love to buy handcrafted products as original presents or decorations for their homes. Start by figuring out how much you can expect to make from each sale. The secret to making more money is to keep material costs down. Purchasing supplies in bulk is a smart move if you're using them for multiple projects. Wholesale prices are typically less expensive per unit. Once you've arranged your supply, go to post your goods for sale in one of these locations. Amazon Handmade, a niche section of the online retailer having access to a sizable community. A U.S. marketplace for handmade goods is called Artfire, and Fair is a marketplace for local entrepreneurs and independent vendors. 7. Earn cash by pet sitting. There are several ways to earn money while fostering your love for animals if you prefer paws to paintbrushes. When they work long hours or need to travel out of town, many pet owners hire somebody to take care of their animals. By volunteering to watch over their dogs while they're gone, you can make money. By distributing flyers in your neighborhood and advertising your services on Facebook and Instagram, you can find a job pet sitting. Alternately, you can sign up with a pet sitting website like Rover to network with folks searching for dependable sitters. 8. Online photo sales. Can you take quality pictures? If yes, think about taking and selling stock photos, which are used by businesses for a variety of marketing and branding-related functions. For the majority of websites that accept online subscriptions, like Almi or 500px, you can take photographs using your smartphone or a digital camera. However, you must ensure that each of your images complies with the requirements for quality and substance set forth by the marketplace you select. For instance, in order to generate money when selling on iStock, you must make sure that the images, movies, and graphics you offer are of the greatest caliber. Before uploading your images, make sure to check each site's pixel specifications and the categories of content they accept. You can also visit the following additional websites: Getty Images, Stocksy, and Stock Adobe. 9. Earn cash while decreasing weight. Are you aware that there are websites out there that will pay you to lose weight? HealthyWaggy.com is the most well-known website for this. You decide on a monthly bet-on-yourself amount, your desired weight, and a deadline, 6 months or longer. For instance, you would win $333 back on a $300 wager if you wagered $50 a month that you would lose 20 pounds in 6 months. Even while those profits might not be enough to replace a full-time salary, you will be making money while improving your health. 10. Rent out your vehicle. The final one is, since you won't be using your car as frequently, you might as well rent it out if you're going to be spending more time walking about to make money. With Turo, you may lease it to someone for a few hours, a day, or however long you like. Turo enables private car owners to list their car as a rental and gain money each time a booking is made. You may expect to make between 65% and 85% of the trip's cost, and PayPal will credit your account within 5 days of the booking. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Share with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest updates. And thank you for watching.